Hey guys, Ryan here, and it's been a while since I made my last video with 5 billion sales. And as the video description says, let's see how we can make $7,800 or 6,07,000 rupees just by taking control of our social media data. Now, if you are unaware, when you are on Facebook, YouTube, Google, Instagram, Gmail, Twitter, you name it, all these apps are tracking your data and making money off you. By partnering with them, they give you a free app and they sell your data. Yes, big data is $1 trillion industry. In 2020, Facebook made $86 billion of our data. Right? Now, when you partner with 5 billion sales, where you partner with Facebook and Google, 5 billion will pay you for your social media data. That's the data they will track. So by partnering with 5 billion, on your data alone, you will earn $584. Yes, and if you share this with others, now I'm not talking about building a whole chain. Say you share this with one person. If that person allows 5 billion to monetize their data, you earn an additional $100. So let's say every 5 days, you share 5 billion, this opportunity with one person. Every 5 days. At the end of 1 year, you will have shared this with 72 people. From each of your 72 partners, you will earn $100 each if they allow 5 billion to monetize their data. So your $585 of your data plus $7,200 of those people's data whom you share this with, you make a total of $7,800. That's 6,07,000 rupees. You're not logging into YouTube for a specific number of hours a day. You don't have to send a specific number of text messages on WhatsApp or Facebook. You keep using the internet like you usually do. If you don't want to do this, hey, it's okay. But just remember, as long as you have free apps from Gmail, Google, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you are the product. Your data is being sold for money and you have a free app. 5 billion simply says, partner with us. We will track your social media data and we will pay you, because when they sell our data to companies, they make money through ads, and that's how they give us a share of the profits. So 5 billion is not a social media platform, it's a data collection company. Now what is $7,800 to me? I'm not doing multi-level marketing where I share this with 3 people, they share this with 3. I'm just sharing it with people, I'm getting paid. That's it. For me, this money will take care of my EMI towards my home loan, my groceries become free, my electricity bill becomes free, my car fuel expenses become free, my gas bill becomes free, my monthly maintenance for my apartment becomes free. And this is all a passive income. There is no trading, there is no investing, it is free. You're making money off your internet data. It is real. In 1963, an article came out in one of the newspapers saying, there will be a time when our phones will be in our pocket, and people laughed. No explanation for that now. Now, make money off your data. It's been going on for the last 10 years. You'll find my referral link in the description below, or speak to the one who shared this with you. Data monetization is real. You have a chance to make real money by taking ownership and control of your internet data. All right.